Hi, welcome back to the channel. Cases are starting to come in. I'll be doing loads of reviews on cases for the S25 Ultra. And just to show you, these are what I did for the S24 Ultra, just for a second there. And let me show you, I've just received some cases from Benks, great company. They do great products. And there's one that could save your life if you got shot, because it's made from Kevlar. Very lightweight. Obviously, they're all Magsafe compatible. And unfortunately, I can't show you it in the phone just yet. So on a flat surface, they almost look the same height. This is last year's model. And width-wise, if you can see that, they're definitely, that is quite a bit. If I do that, you can see, even though it's black on black, the new S25 Ultra seems to be a bit narrower, a fraction shorter, which is weird. I didn't expect that. So again, we wait for the phone to come in. Very strong Kevlar. And they also sent me this accessory because it is MagSafe. It just clips on very firmly and it opens up like that. So if you turn it round, now you can use it for your fingers. You could put it down like so, or like that. That's that one, very strong. And the grip is nice. You can feel that as well. Very, very nice, very lightweight, good protection, very nice inside, very smooth there. Full review coming up. Hopefully when I get the phone, I'm still 50-50 if I'm going to get the phone. And let me just take this off and show you the really thin one, which they have. I didn't have this for last year's model. That's what it's going to look like so. And this is really lightweight. I believe you can order them now. So order them now. So when you get the phone, you haven't got any time without any protection again. All MagSafe compatible. Just put it on there. Once it's on there properly, it's a firm fit, rotates. Once again, you can do the same. Very, very lightweight. Piece of cardboard. I won't take it out yet. I'll save that for the unboxing of the new phone. Other cases coming up. They've also sent me, this is interesting, I never used it last year. I don't know if they had one last year. It's a glass screen protector for the S25 Ultra. And it is anti-reflection. And no, a lot of these glass screen protectors had a little cutout for your fingerprint security. This does not have that. Again, I'm not going to open it up till we get the S25 Ultra. So all these are now available to pre-order. Get them before you get the phone. And subscribe to the channel because I've got other things coming up. If you haven't seen my review of the Comply versus the Asla ear tips for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And what else have I got? I've got other things, loads of things coming up. Subscribe.